All right, good morning, everybody. It is day 6 of the challenge. And I am complete with this section of the rocker. So now I am going to make the panel that kind of faces the wheel. This is what I'm talking about. Now I'm gonna do this. And I have the original somewhere here. This is not it. Oh, it's right here. So the original kind of has this bend over here, and then it kind of swoops. What I'm doing is actually something different than what this is. So you can see that there's a 90 here, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a 90 here, and instead of curving up or horizontally like this is doing, I'm just going to do a straight down cut. So it's just going to go all the way down up until like right here, and then when I make this panel, which goes right here, I'm just gonna run this so it's straight with this, and what do you call it? It just kind of ends, right? It's just like a square box. I'm sure Nissan had a reason to make it like this, but I don't. Water and debris just gets stuck in here, and then look how much panel bond they had to put in here to, I guess, like seal this up. I don't know why, but I feel like this is just an area where the dust, debris, and other rock chips, whatever, can get stored or can get trapped in here, and then you get problems like these. Whereas when I make this N90, it's just gonna, things are gonna hit here, the panel, and just fall down. So with that being said, I'm gonna go and make the template out of some cardstock. All right, so I got my template. It's gonna go in here and kind of follows the line. Add a little bit of extra tape because I'm gonna tie it into this side, or tie the sheet metal into this side. Traced the patch onto here. Now I'm just gonna cut it out. Okay, so after some cutting and trimming, I was able to get a pretty good patch panel in there. I just sprayed this with copper weld through primer, so I don't want to really shove it in there, but I'm gonna wait for that to dry out. I'm going to go to the store, get some lunch. All right, got the patch panel fitted up, and now I'm gonna begin welding. It shouldn't take me that long. The goal for today is to just get the panel in. All right, so my battery died, which means that I am probably done for today. Got this panel in. So I tried matching up the original panel that goes underneath the rocker, closing off the back section here, and it's close, but it's not there yet. I'm gonna trim down that panel that I just put in, and then I will make this panel and then weld it up. And after that one, I'll have 2 more to go, and that will finish up this side. I'm very pleased with this progress and how this came out today. With that being said, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for checking out this video.